Howdy folks, welcome back to my channel. Satish here from Dallas, Texas. Now, today we're going to be talking about 3 things that you can do right now on your email marketing campaigns to have a better open rate and delivery. I'm going to show you 3 simple things, okay? So number 1, if possible, use your .edu email. That's right. So you went to college, you have that .edu email, use it, okay? A lot of you guys, even if you have graduated, you can still keep that .edu email. If not, find a way to get it. You can usually you can get it at community colleges and things like that if you haven't been to college or if you don't have that email anymore. Contact your local community college, sign up for one class, and guess what? You can get that .edu email and use it. Use it on your email marketing, because what happens is whenever you use a .edu to email out, guess what? It's gonna end up on inbox every single time. That's a guarantee. Number 2, whenever you're writing that email, your from name should never be your company name, right? So for example, our company is Podme, for example, okay? We don't write email from Podme. We write Nick from Podme. That's the name, contact name of that email address. Instead of just saying Podme, this is Nick from Podme, this is Satish from Podme. Give your emails a personality. Nobody wants to talk to a company or a corporation. They want to talk to real people. Last but not least is using and putting in your address and a phone number at the bottom of the email. Trust me, it works every single time, because whenever Google or Hotmail, whenever they get your email, right, before they decide to actually send it to the person's inbox or spam, they look at it, okay? If there's an address that goes with that email, guess what? The chances are it is an authentic email meant for that person. Try using these things on your next email campaign and let me know how it goes. On the comments, let me know if you have any other questions about email marketing. Make sure to follow me for more videos just like this.